Hi guys, during today's video we will cover SQL comparison operators, and as you see here these are the list of SQL comparison operators. Let's do some examples in order to understand how to use these operators in real-life projects or examples. Let's open for this example our products table, and if I open this table we can come up with some questions and how to solve them using comparison operators. Let's say I want to find out all the product IDs, all the product names where the product ID is 1. Now in that case, all I have to do, just say where product ID equals 1. If I run this query, you will see that it is showing me only the product ID 1. Now the next operator that we have here, it is greater than. How we can use greater than operator? Let's again go to the same table. We go to our products table, and if you see here on this table we have a column unit price. Now I want to write a query that it will show me all the unit price where the unit price greater than, let's say, $18. Now in that case what I will do is just say where, give a reference to which column. In our case the reference is unit price column here, and say greater than, let's say, $18. Now if I run this query, you will see that it will show us all the unit prices where the unit price is more than $18. You don't see any examples here where the unit price is 18 or below 18. Our next operator is less than. Less than and greater than, basically it is almost the same thing, but the logic works vice versa. Now if I simply switch these to less than and run this query, you will see that it will show us all the unit prices below $18. Now our next operator is basically a combination of equals, greater than, and less than, How we can use that? Again, we can open the same table. I can go to our products table one more time, and if I open the products table, let's say in this case I want to write the query where the unit price is equals 18 or greater than 18, but I want to see 18 as well. In the query above that here, if you guys pay attention here, if I run this query, it will show us all the unit prices above 18. But when I say where unit price greater or equals to 18, now in this case if I run this query, you will see that 18 also here. So it is showing us 18 and greater than 18. And we have less than or equals to, which is again almost the same thing, but the only difference is if I just copy this query, we can leverage the same query and just paste here. And if I simply say less than or equals to 18, now in this case what this will do, it will show us all the unit prices, which the unit prices are, which is 18 and below $18. And as you see here, you don't see any unit price above $18. Now the final operator that we have here, it's called not equals to, is a combination of less than and greater than. Now in this case, if I simply leverage the same query and change to not equals to, what it will do is it will not show us the product, the unit price where the unit price is 18. It will show us all other unit prices, but it will not show us the product, the product where for that particular product the unit price is $18. Again, one more example of this not equals can be using, you can just say where the product ID, for example, I can reference the product ID column, and in this case, let's say I would say the product ID not equals to 5. Now if I run this query, you will see the 5 is not here anymore. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is not there. Again, the same result can be accomplished if you simply put equal sign and in front of equal sign exclamation mark. Now again, if I run this query, you will see that 5 is not there. So greater than and less than operators, when you use them together, it translates into not equals. And also when you put equals operator and in front of equals you put exclamation, it is also translate into not equals to. Guys, this is the example for SQL comparison operators. Starting from the next classes, we will be using all the operators in one single query. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in our next video.